my wonderful, wonderful people, and welcome to this little interlude in this vlog. As you could probably tell from the footage you have just seen, I went to a hairstylist. Now, my hair right now does not look that much different, and that's simply because we didn't do a lot of hair styling. So I don't really have a new cut. We cut off like the dead ends and that's it. And afterwards he blow dried it, so in the next footage you will see my hair looks really, really good, which it doesn't anymore because it's no longer the same day. But why I wanted to come in here and talk to you at least a little bit is I did not go to the hairstylist to get my hair styled. I did go to this hairstylist to get a treatment, to get a scalp treatment. I've seen this quite a few times before because I know that in Korea and I think also in Japan and in some other Asian countries, there is a lot of like different treatments you can do for your hair that are not just perms or cuts or anything like that. And in this case, it was meant to be a treatment to clean your scalp and give it like new life. So my scalp and the skin on it has been always very sensitive. So it was always a bit weird. I don't have dandruff, but yeah, let's not get into that. But yeah, so I thought it might be a good idea to try this at least once. So this time when I was scrolling through Instagram, I got this ad for this specific hairstylist. And I decided to make an appointment with him and get my scalp cleaned. And it was fabulous. So the whole procedure means that they put some things on your scalp to help like loosen up the skin, the dead skin and everything that's on there that you want to get rid of. And then, well, then it's being washed off. And during that time you get a wonderful, very relaxing head massage. And afterwards it gets cleaned again. So he took close-up pictures with a specific camera to see the before and the after, and you could really see that the skin around the hair follicles was as clean as it has never been before, because normally there's some dead skin and things like that. So I'm used to using things like sea salt shampoo to give my hair a scrub. So similar to your body, when you want to have like the dead skin, when you want to get rid of the dead skin on your body, you use some kind of scrubs. So I do that, and I also have like a thing that looks like claw that helps you like peeling off the skin, because it's nothing, it's the same thing, it's just skin that sometimes needs to maybe be exfoliated, because yeah, it is skin and there's dead cells and anything else, and I have a lot of hair here, so sometimes it's hard to get to everything underneath all of this stuff. So yeah, that's what I did, and as I said, it was fabulous. I had a lot of fun. It was really, really relaxing, and my head feels great. And also my hair looked very, very beautiful that day because he blow dried it so that it looked good. And I think there should be a few little snippets of the hair of that day. Right now it's getting back to my normal look because I'm really not used to styling it, so yeah, but I will just let it grow out now. That's why I didn't get a real cut. I just want to grow it out, and then I'll see what I do with it. But probably I won't do anything with it, because the easiest thing to do is just have it long and either have it open or just bottle it up in a big bun. So yeah, that's why I wanted to talk to you. I just wanted to explain to you why you've seen me sitting in a hair salon. Okay, so now you can go back to watching the rest of my day, and I will go back to enjoying the rest of my day that is happening right now. Until the next one, stay healthy. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And I'm not going to say bye because the vlog is still going, so yeah. Have fun with that.